Meaning of delirium tremens.
Delirium tremens.
Delirium tremens.
Delirium tremens.
Delirium tremens. Delirium tremens is a severe and potentially life-threatening condition that can occur when a person abruptly stops drinking alcohol after a prolonged period of heavy drinking. The symptoms of delirium tremens typically begin 48 to 72 hours after the last drink and include shaking, confusion, hallucinations, fever, and seizures. Without prompt medical attention, delirium tremens can progress to cause cardiovascular collapse, respiratory failure, and death. Treatment involves medications to control symptoms, for fluids, and close monitoring in an intensive care unit. Management of delirium tremens requires a multidisciplinary team of healthcare professionals.